Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you 20 NameTag Easter eggs you didn't know about. Named mobs will have their name appear in the death message when they kill a player. Wandering traders are the only mobs that can despawn even after being named with a name tag under normal conditions. Naming a Vindicator Johnny will cause it to attack every mob in the game. This is a reference to the movie The Shining. You can name a mob name tag by renaming a name tag in an anvil twice, the second time to get name tag. You can use the name tag on an armor stand, but the name will not be visible unless the armor stand is modified in code. If a named villager is killed by a named zombie and turns into a zombie villager, it will not despawn. However, if the zombie is not named, the named zombie villager will despawn. Naming a rabbit Toast will change its texture to a specific black and white pattern. This is a reference to a deceased bunny of one of the developers. For villagers and saddled pigs, using a name tag overrides their default interaction, trading/riding, and they will be named instead. If a named pet is killed by a named hostile mob, both names will appear in the death message in the chat. Name tags can be obtained from the last trade of a librarian villager, initially for 20 emeralds, reducible to 1 emerald with multiple zombifications. Name any mob Dinnerbone, and it will cause it to appear upside down. This is a popular one, but this is a reference to a Minecraft developer who is often portrayed as upside down. Naming any mob Grum will have the same exact effect as the upside down effect. This is an alternate way to achieve the same Easter egg. Naming a hostile mob will prevent it from naturally despawning, unless the game is switched to peaceful mode. The Ender Dragon is the only mob in the game that cannot be named with the name tag, even in creative mode. Renaming the weather with the name tag will change its name displayed on the bus bar. Naming a sheep Jeb _ will cause it to cycle through all the colors of the rainbow. Shearing the sheep though will give you the wool of its original color. You can rename an entire stack of name tags at once in an anvil for the cost of only 1 level. In creative mode, renaming spawn eggs in an anvil will cause the mob spawn from these eggs to have the preset name. The Dinnerbone and Grum upside down naming trick does not work on squids or glow squids. Name tags were added to Minecraft at the request of the YouTuber Paul Source Jr. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys.